Dear students, I am Dayanand Jadhav, working as an assistant professor in Department of Electronics and Telecommunication. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about one of the combinational circuit, that is magnitude comparator. Then what is mean by magnitude comparator? Magnitude comparator, it is one of the combinational circuit. What is the meaning of combinational circuit? We know that the combinational circuit in which the output of the circuit, it depends on instant or present values of input. The magnitude comparator is combinational circuit. Whatever the output of the magnitude comparator, it depends on the present or instant values of inputs. Therefore, it is combinational circuit. Magnitude comparator also called digital comparator because here binary values are compared by using this type of comparator. Here there are two types of digital comparator mainly. First is identity comparator and second is magnitude comparator. In our syllabus digital system design course, here mention magnitude comparator. Therefore, we are going to discuss about the magnitude comparator. Identity comparator means this is the comparator has only one output terminal for when A which is equal to B, either A which is equal to B which is equal to 1, that is high, or A which is equal to B which is equal to 0, that is low. The magnitude comparator in which here there are many number of inputs, and we consider 2-bit magnitude comparator or 4-bit magnitude comparator. If suppose 4 bits are in the input, but in the output when we compare two values, if suppose A and B, the output given as here first A is greater than B, A which is equal to B, or A is less than B. These are the output. Here without that no other output. Therefore, in the magnitude comparator, these three are the outputs. Therefore, when we consider here, this comparator has three output terminal, namely A is greater than B, A which is equal to B, and A is less than B. Depending on the result of comparison, one of these output will be high. Means what is the meaning of this? When 0 which is equal to 0, then others are 0, but this is high. If 1 is greater than 0, if such case, at that time this is high, others are 0. If 0 is less than 1, if suppose, then we can consider as this is high and other are 0. Therefore, here the block diagram of magnitude comparator shows there are A and B. These are the two inputs which are given. A we considered in n bit, also B we considered in n bit. Whether it is single bit, whether it is double bit, 2-bit magnitude comparator, 3-bit magnitude comparator, 4-bit magnitude comparator, no issue. We can give n number of A and n number of B, and we can compare. That is n bit magnitude comparator or digital comparator. Then it generates the output like as A is less than B, A which is equal to B is greater than B. This is the block diagram of magnitude comparator. Now here 1-bit magnitude comparator means what? Here it compares single bit. that is 0 and 1. If suppose this magnitude comparator has two inputs, only two inputs, A and B. Here A and B, in between that comparison occurs, and three outputs, that is A is less than B, A which is equal to B, and A is greater than B. These are the output. This magnitude comparator compares two number of single bit. Then how to make the truth table? Whenever there is problem in the exam, design 1 bit magnitude comparator. Then first of all, design step of any combinational circuit. Circuits are here. First is truth table by using the logic, after that K-map, after that by using K-map logical expression, after that actual implementation using the logic gate. Here first step truth table, second step K-map, third step to find out the logic expression using K-map, and next step, last step is to implement the actual here diagram by using logic gate with the help of here logic expression. First of all, when we consider the truth table of 1 bit magnitude comparator, see here input A and B we considered as input, and output in that y1, y2, y3. What is mean by y1? A is less than B. y2, A which is equal to B. y3, A is greater than B. Therefore, when we compare these two values, these two inputs means possible combinations are 4. Here 2 raised to 2, 4 possible combination. Therefore, write down 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1. These are the possible combinations whenever we consider two inputs A and B. Then in the next step, how it is? Here 0 which is equal to 0 means A which is equal to B. Here there is high 1. In other cases 0. Here when we compare A and B, B is greater than A. Therefore, see here A is less than B means B is greater than A. This is 1 and others are 0 0. After that, when we consider A and B, in the next step, A is 1, B is 0, A is greater than B. Therefore, this is 1 and all others are 0. In that last step, here 1 which is equal to 1 means A which is equal to B. This is 1. Therefore, this makes the truth table, that is comparison. Here A is less than B, A which is equal to B, and A is greater than B. In the next step, by using the truth table K-map for y1. See here K-map for y1. Here required two variable K-map. Why two variable? Because A and B, these are the inputs. Therefore only two inputs, therefore two variable K-map. For y1 separate K-map, for y2 separate K-map, for y3 separate K-map. Here in the y1, see here there is 1 for 0 1. Therefore here first of all consider the K-map pattern. This is K-map pattern for y1. Then take here AB 0 1 0 1. This is 0 means A bar, this 1 means A, 0 means B bar, this 1 means B. Therefore, for 0 1, here there is 1 in the truth table for y1. Therefore, y1 means A is less than B. Therefore, value of this group, it becomes 0 1 means A bar B. This is the value of y1. Now here consider the K-map for y2. For 0 0 there is 1, for 1 1 there is 1. Also K-map for y3. 1 0 there is 1. Separate K-map we consider for y2 first of all. See here for y2. Okay, a is equal to b. When we consider for y2 this 0 0 1 1 1 1 in the truth table for y2, therefore value of this group, this is single bit, we know that K-map, if single bit present then we can make the grouping. Here double bit we can make the grouping, which must be in adjacent, not in the diagonal. If suppose this is the single bit, this is the another single bit, here single group, here one more group of single bit, therefore value of that first group, it is a bar b bar. Value of the second group, it is a b. Therefore y2 which is equal to a bar b bar plus ab. Here in other way we can say that this is XNOR operation. Okay, a XNOR b, then it gives us a bar b bar plus ab. After that for y3 another K-map. For y3 a is greater than b. Here there is y3. When there is 1 0, then this is the group by using the truth table. Therefore when we consider 0 1, value of this single bit group, that is a b bar, by using this is said to be y3. These are the logic expression y1 y2 y3. Therefore realization of the logic expression using the logic gate. In this way we can realize, we can draw the here actual implementation of the logic expression using logic gates. y1 y2 y3, these are the outputs, and a and b, these are the inputs. y1 we know that it is a is less than b. It is by using K-map, here expression it comes as a bar b. Therefore here a bar b, how it is? A, one of the NOT gate, or it is also said to be inverter, then it gives a bar here a bar and b, therefore a bar b, this is AND gate. Just like that a bar b bar a bar and b bar, it is given to that second AND, therefore third AND ab is given, because y2 which is equal to a bar b bar plus ab. We can use XNOR gate also here. Okay, y2 which is equal to a is equal to b, y3 which is equal to a b bar. Therefore a b bar means a is from here and b bar is from here, therefore y3. This is the actual implementation using the logic gate for the expression y1 y2 y3. This is the output of the, these are the outputs of the comparator. Okay, in this way here the design of the comparator. See here realization using AND and XNOR gate. Whatever here XNOR expression, only here change of y2. This is the, we consider XNOR gate. Okay, by using that we can also perform the design. Now we are going to discuss about the 2-bit comparator. What is mean by 2-bit comparator? See here carefully. Here now we are going to compare 2 bits. Means here, see here, a comparator which is used to compare 2 binary numbers, each of 2 bits is called a 2-bit comparator. Figure 2 shows the block diagram of 2-bit comparator. Okay, A, B, these are the 2 bits generally, but we need to convert. Here in that A, consider 2 bits A0 A1, in that B consider 2 bits B0 P1. These are the inputs. When it is given to 2-bit magnitude comparator, then it gives y1 y2 y3, just same, y1 which is a less than b, y2 which is equal to a which is equal to b, and y3 which is equal to a is greater than b, just like that comparator. single bit magnitude comparator. When we compare here A and B values, A means two values, B means two values. These two values compare with these two values. Therefore, the name here 2-bit magnitude comparator. When we consider the design of the 2-bit magnitude comparator, then see here how it is the design. This is the truth table for the 2-bit magnitude comparator. Consider here A1, A0, B1, B0. These are the inputs. Okay. These inputs considered as A, these inputs considered as B. When we consider here 4 inputs are there and 3 outputs are there. 4 inputs means possible combinations are 16. Okay. 16 possible combinations. This is the whole truth table for 2-bit magnitude comparator. What is mean by this? A1, A0, B1, B0. These are the inputs. Therefore, here possible combinations are from 0 to 15. 16 possible combinations. B0, 01, 01, 01, 01, like that up to 15. B1, 00, 11, 00, 11, 00, 11, 00, 11. A0, 00, 00, 4 times 4 times 1, 4 times 0, 4 times 1. A1, 8 times 0, 8 times 1. Means these are the possible outcomes when we consider input are 4 variables. Therefore, here when we compare this, what is mean by this? Here 0, 0 means A value. This 0, 0 means B value. When we compare this 0, 0 is exactly equal to 0, 0. Means what is the meaning of this? A which is equal to B. Therefore, this 1 and all others are 0, 0. See here in the next A value, it is 0, 0. But B value is 0, 1. 0, 1. B is greater than A. Okay. B is greater than A. Therefore, this is 1 and others are 0, 0. When we consider next 0, 0, 1, 0. Again B is greater than A. Like that. 1. Here 1, 1. This is for B. And 0, 0. This is for A. Again B is greater than A. Therefore 1, 0, 0. Here 0, 1, 0, 0 means A is greater than B. A is greater than B. Therefore this is 1 and others are 0, 0. Like that, when we consider this last 1, 1, 1, 0, here 1, 1 means here one of the binary number. When we consider its decimal, decimal is 3 and for that decimal is 2. Means A is greater than B. Therefore this 1. Here both are equal. 1, 1 equal to 1, 1. Therefore this 1. Like that, this forms the truth table of the 2-bit magnitude comparator. Then design. Firstly, truth table. Whenever we consider the design of any combinational circuit, first of all consider the logic. By using the logic, here truth table. After that truth table, key map. After the key map, logical expression. After the logical expression, here actual implementation or realization using the logic gates. Here there are 3 K-map. K-map for Y1, K-map for Y2, K-map for Y3. Okay. K-map for Y1 means how many variable K-map? Here there are 4 inputs. Therefore, we consider here what? 4 variable K-map. Therefore, in the next step, K-map for Y1. How it is here? K-map for Y1. This is the K-map for Y1. Whatever given in the problem, A, this is for Y1. Whatever given 0, 0, 0, 1, there is 1 in the truth table. Okay. 0 0 0 1, there is 1. 0 0 1 0, there is 1. 0 0 1 1, there is 1. So may whatever the given 1 1 1 1 put into that K-map pattern. We know that this is the K-map pattern A1 A0 B1 B0. Therefore in the next step, by using here K-map, we know that 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0, this is gray code pattern for A1 A0. This is also gray code pattern for B1 B0. We know that gray code pattern, it is used in the K-map. Therefore these are the given 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 1. This is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. Okay, here write down 1 1, then make the grouping of the single bit possible, grouping of the two adjacent bits possible, grouping of the 4 bits possible. See here, first group. When we consider this is the first group, this is the second group, and this is the third group, these are considered as adjacent. Then value of the first group, it is here, see here, this A1 bar, A0 bar, here 0 1 1 1, B0 is constant here, but B1 changes from 0 to 1 for this group. Therefore A1 bar, A0 bar and B0, this is the value of first group. Okay, A1 bar, A0 bar, B0. Then value of the second group, how it is? This is considered as second group. Therefore when we check here, then constant is A1. A1 bar is constant, but A changes. Therefore A1 bar, here constant is B1. A1 bar, B1. B0 changes here 1 to 0. Therefore don't take. We consider it as this is A1 bar, B1. This is the value of the second group. Then third group, this is the third group. Value of this group, how it is? 0 0 1 0, means A0 bar, it is the constant here, and A0 bar, B1 B0. A0 bar, B1 B0. It comes Y1, which is equal to value of the first group plus value of the second group plus value of the third group, because this is in the SOP form. We can solve this is in the SOP or this is in the POS. In the POS form, whatever given, write down for that 0 0 0 and make the grouping of that. Okay, like that. Here just like that, A which is equal to B by 2, for that 0 is, that is A equal to B means 0 0 is equal to 0 0, 0 1 which is equal to 0 1, therefore 1 1 1 which is equal to 1 1 in the truth table, 1 0 which is equal to 1 0, 1 1 1 1. These all are diagonal, therefore as a diagonal ka group it cannot be formed. Therefore here single group, it is the single group. First group, this is the single group. Second group, this is the third group. This is the fourth group. Therefore value of this single group, how it is? A1 bar, A0 bar, B1 bar, B0, like that each group. Okay, right, this group plus this group plus this group plus this group. Value of this group is A1 A0 bar, B1 B0 bar, like that. Okay, that it comes Y2, expression for Y2. This is the simplification at last by using Boolean algebra. How it is? Y2 which is equal to A XNOR A1 XNOR B1 and second bracket A0 XNOR B0. Okay, this is at the last. When we apply the Boolean algebra, it comes this logic expression. Okay, the next is Y3. Y3 which is equal to, see, check into the truth table, that is 0 1 0 0 for that, and here 1 is given, 1 1 0 0 for that 1 is given, 1 1 0 1 1 is given, 1 0 0 0 1 is there, 1 0 0 1 1 is there, 1 1 1 0 1 is there. Okay, whatever here available in that truth table, here whatever 0 1 0 0 for that one, like that. These are the values put into the K-map pattern. Therefore, then make the grouping. How to make the grouping? If suppose this is the first group of 2 bits, for 2 bits adjacent bits grouping possible. For 4 bits, if suppose these are adjacent, grouping possible. When we consider these 3, grouping not possible for the 3. Okay, for 2 bits these are considered adjacent to each other. Okay, this is the third group. Then value of the first group, this is if suppose first group. Then value of this group, when we see here, then A0 B1 bar B0 bar, A0 B1 bar B0 bar. Value of this, if suppose red marks indicate that this is our second group. When we see here 1 1 1 0, means A1 is constant here, does not change, while A0 changes. Therefore considered as A1. Here A1 B1 bar, this is the value. Here also 0 0 0 1. First bit same, while second bit changes, means B0 changes. Therefore A1 B1 bar, like that. Then for the third group, how it is? Third group, here 1 1. This group present in that 1 1. Therefore A1 A0, here 0 0 1 0, means B1 changes while B0 remains same. Means value of this group A1 A0 B0. Okay, B0, like that. Here by using the K-map, here logic expressions are considered for y1, y2 and y3. A is less than b, A which is equal to b, A is greater than b. Then by using here logic gates, implement the here 2-bit magnitude comparator by using the logic expression. A1 its power, A0 its power. This is the NOT gate, or it is also said to be inverter. This shows bar. When we given B1 P1 bar, P0 P1 bar. Therefore whatever Y1 given, consider this is AND gate, this plus this in the logic expression. Therefore here OR gate, this shows Y1, like that Y2, like that Y3. AND gate, OR gate. Okay, here XNOR gate. Okay, right, this into this, right, like that. Here realization using the logic gate for the 2-bit magnitude comparator. This is the design of the 2-bit magnitude comparator. Thank you so much.